Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. Today I'm in the kitchen. I am cooking a beef stew. Well, not quite. I'm going to cook a stew, a tomato-based stew, but it's a vegetable stew. My husband and I are engaging in a Daniel fast, a 21-day Daniel fast. So, we're going to put beef in the children's stew, but I'm going to have, and my husband is going to have, the Daniel stew. So I'll show you this beef stew two ways, one with just vegetables and one with beef. In the meanwhile, let me go put my apron on. I'm glad you joined me. Let's get in the kitchen. Okay, y'all, so here are my ingredients. I have some minced garlic, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, some vegetables that I had cooked for another meal, some frozen mixed vegetables, some frozen corn, some stewed beef, and some elbow macaroni made from chickpeas. So we're going to get this started by using our olive oil. I'm going to saute some garlic in the bottom of a heavy saucepan. I don't mind using the jarred garlic for items that I'm going to cook like this because you don't taste that preservative taste that I always taste when I use jarred garlic. Otherwise, I'd be using some fresh garlic, but it's okay in this recipe. So now I've gotten out a saucepan so that I can fry up the beef. I want to put a crisp on the beef. In the meanwhile, I'm going to put some boiling water into my saucepan so that I can add the rest of the vegetables to cook them. Those vegetables were zucchini, mushrooms, onions, and I had cooked those for another meal earlier in the week, so they were just leftovers and I needed to use them. So now I'm going to saute some garlic in the frying pan that I'm going to saute the beef in. I want to give that beef some good flavor. Okay, so I'm going to add the mixed vegetables. I'm going to add this whole bag of mixed vegetables because this is going to be the base for both of the stews. Okay, now I'm going to open up my beef. I'm going to wash it off. I don't like just using meat right out of the package. And I'm going to put it back in the tray and season it right here on the tray. So you'll see me seasoning it, and I have the seasonings listed here. adding more corn, probably about a cup more corn, because I don't have the sugar that I would normally put a pinch of sugar, but I can't use sugar on the Daniel fast, so I'm going to add just another cup of corn to add that sweetness and take the bite out of the tomatoes. Now I'm going to add my elbow macaroni that's made from chickpeas, just because I wanted to try them out. simmering. I pull all the ingredients together and I get it in the saucepan. I put ours in the Dutch oven and got the children's in the saucepan. So it's going to simmer for maybe 45 minutes, if that long. I'll check it again. I had Peyton taste test the beef stew to see if there was enough salt in it. So, and she said it was, so I didn't put anything extra in that. I will have to taste the vegetable stew, and I put a little bit more corn in there because of the sweetness of the corn. We can't use sugar either. So if you're interested in the Daniel fast, it is a fast that was done by Daniel in the Bible, and if you want to read that book in the Bible, it talks about the fast. And it's a spiritual fast. So we are fasting for the next 21 days, and if you want to join along, comment below and let me know, and I'll give you the information. Actually, I will add a link to the Daniel Fast website. Okay, so it's been about a half hour, and I'm going to taste my broth here. This is my this is the vegetable stew. Hold on. See, that's my vegetable stew. Okay, I'm gonna taste my, oh good, it's very good. And you know, with tomato-based products, you kind of have to put a little bit of sweetness to it to kind of take the bite off the tomatoes. I didn't need to because that corn did it. Thank you, Lord, for the corn. And this will have to cook a little bit longer for that meat to tenderize, just a little bit. What else? You want a piece of pasta?
It looks really good. Okay, let me get everything.
It's hot, hot.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. Really good. Nice and tender. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, it's my turn?
It's really good.
It is good. It's good. I think I can do this Daniel diet thing. No, it's not a diet. It's a fast. And it's going to be good for me. So I hope that you enjoyed watching the video. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe, like, comment. I like to see your comments. And I'll talk to y'all later. Be blessed.